my father told us an interesting and funny story. When he was about 18 years old, he was going to be drafted in the army. My father was born in 1904. Now, his father fought in World War I, had no choice. He was about to be drafted in the army, and how do you handle the army? Now, remember, to a certain extent, going into the army, if you're religious, was almost a death sentence. And so my grandmother, my father's mother, not his father, he was anti-chassid, took him to the Rebbe for a blessing. And my father describes the whole scene where the Rebbe said to my grandmother, Froim, that was my father's name, Ephraim, they called him Froim, mit sein upgehit, he'll be watched. So it's a very cryptic answer, and my grandmother goes, but Rebbe, was Tieten wegen der Armee? What do you do about the army? And the Rebbe answers again, Froim mit sein upgehit. And that was it, they left. They get back to the town, and the person who was supposed to conduct the physicals dies, has a heart attack and dies. The person who was the substitute for the army, you could bribe. He was bribed, but my father didn't go into the army. So to this day, or to the day he died, my father believed that he had a special blessing from the Rebbe, and that it worked. Wow. Which is why he survived World War II together with his wife and son. Because from the town that they came from, they were the only intact family unit that survived.